right, Shalom. Welcome to another episode with Bakaleb Consulting, where we go over biblical principles and how you can apply it to your life and your business to become wealthy, according to what Yahweh says. All right, Shalom, Shalom. Praise Yahweh. Let's begin. Today, we are going to go over business ideas that regular working class people, family, or community members can start using skills, creativity, or the internet and still prosper when guided by Yahweh's wisdom. So this is like for a normal person because I can go through AI stuff and engineering stuff and things that you can do to make money and call centers and so forth. But what I've gotten feedback from is a lot of people tell me like, okay, just what do normal people do? What do regular people do? So I said, okay, let's go. Proverbs 18:16. A man's gift maketh room for him and bringeth him before great men. So your gift is going to be your talents, the things that you can do, your talents, your wisdom. What can you do? What can you do? So we're those are also the talents that you take and turn into businesses. So we're going to go through some of those. Content creation. You can teach what you know. YouTube channels, TikTok pages, or small online classes. You can teach sewing. I would take your class so I can learn to sew. Well, I know how to sew, but I haven't used a sewing machine in years. Cooking. You can cook. No matter what's your background, you can do different flavor of cooking. Gardening, you can teach gardening. A lot of people want to know how to garden, especially in a time like this where they want to do like natural stuff. People want to know how to grow the little herbs and the teas and and the little tomatoes and veggies and so forth. Budgeting, yeah, we're big and telling people about budgeting. So you can set up an accounting firm. You can teach people budgeting. You don't even have to go as far as an accounting firm. You can teach classes and telling people how to do simple budgeting or just regular entrepreneurship. Why it works? People are learning online more than ever. If you have experience, you can teach. More and more people are going online and searching how to DIYs and stuff like that. And it's room for everyone. Everyone. So you can do that. You can do cleaning or organizing or handyman services. Like we have cleaning companies that come and clean our homes. Cleaning company. Home cleaning, car detailing. We have car detailers who come and detail all of our cars. Pressure washing, get our homes pressure wash, decluttering, or lawn care. This is all things that we personally use. For all of our homes, we have lawn care where they do weed killers. You also we have the pressure washing, you have the car detailing, so forth. These are companies that regular people can do. See, and until they have robots doing these, you still have a job. That's not something that AI is going to do. People will always need these services, and many prefer supporting small local businesses. Yeah, the guy who do our car detailing for and these are luxury cars. It's a young guy. He started as a little car detailing company, and of course, we choose him. You know, we support small local businesses, and a lot of people will. So start those companies. Then you have healthy food, homemade goods, herbal teas, natural juices, homemade sauces, baked goods, skincare made from natural ingredients like Batkalev beauty line. We have a beauty line, Batkalev facial spray. So we have stuff like that. So you can do things like that. Why it works, the market for natural and local continues to grow. People want to know who made their food and products. You can start from your own kitchen because there's a little law called the local cottage food laws that allow you to do it out of your kitchen. You don't have to go get a storefront now. Just make sure you follow all the sanitary requirements. Online reselling, thrifting business. Buying discounted or secondhand items like clothes, collectibles, electronics, and reselling them online. eBay is still a thing. Then you have Mercari, you have Poshmark. Poshmark. I've known people to buy clothing from Ross and different places and resell it on Poshmark. Poshmark. Poshmark is a thing. eBay is still a thing. E-commerce keeps expanding. You have low risk, low startup costs, build digital business skills. Great family project. Children can learn inventory, pricing, and photography. Look at that. It's just so much you can do. Tutoring, child enrichment, reading help, test prep, or after school classes. You can teach literacy. A lot of kids I hate to say it, but a lot of kids out there, they're illiterate. You can teach literacy. Life skills. There's things that they don't teach in school anymore that you can teach. Why it works? Parents want quality education for their children. School systems are overwhelmed. You can take over the other part. You can teach from home or online and grow through word of mouth. Now, digital services, virtual assistants help small businesses with admin tasks, social media, or design work. Go on Fiverr and Upwork. There's many things out there. Why it works? Small business owners need help but can't afford full-time employees. Full-time employees, and they have to worry about giving you medical and dental benefits, 401k, and so forth. You go on Upwork, they don't have to worry about that. You be 1099. Once you learn a few online tools, you can serve multiple clients remotely. Yeah, go get your blessing. Home based elder companion care, sitting with elders, providing meal prep or companionship. That's still a thing. The senior population is increasing. As you know, a lot of people are not having children. The senior population is increasing, and many families prefer personal caregivers to agencies. And of course, we manage a nonprofit organization called Unity Group Services Inc. You can partner with us. You can partner with us. So you can become certified or partner with Unity Group Services Inc. Delivery, errand, or transportation services. Grocery delivery. Hello, you can deliver groceries. Package pickup. Do small transport services, medical rides, airport runs, etc. Think outside the box, color outside the lines. Aging population and busy professionals need dependable local help. It's easy to start with one vehicle and then you can expand. Color outside the line, think outside the box. Okay? So start where you already have skills or passion and add a kingdom twist, meaning serve others with love, excellence, and truth, and Yahweh will breathe on it for you. The breath of life. Glory to Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I know this video was helpful. There's so many more business I could have went through, but we would be here like all night. So I said, let me just put a few. Just remember Deuteronomy 8:18, but thou shalt remember Yahweh thy God, for it is he that giveth thee power to get wealth. You get power from Yahweh. Power from Yahweh. As long as you still have power in you, look at power. You should be able to go get something done. Money is just flying around everywhere. You will never run out of money. I don't run out of money. I can never run out of money. I have unlimited supply of money. Unlimited supply. There's always something to do. So write down your talents and take your talents to turn into generate wealth for you. All right. Praise Yahweh. Shalom. Shalom.